KOHO, friend or foe? Verification struggle is real, but worth it. Ever heard of a financial app that promises amazing cashback, fee-free banking, and a sleek metal card, all for free? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what KOHO offers. But before you jump on the KOHO train, there's a hurdle you need to clear: verification. So, the burning question, can you use KOHO without verification? Buckle up, because the answer is a bit of a twist. KOHO Lite, a glimpse into the unverified world. Technically, yes, you can create a KOHO account without verification. This grants you access to a limited version, KOHO Lite. Here's what you can and can't do with it. Load funds. You can add money to your KOHO account, but there's a catch. Sending Interac e-transfers or using pre-authorized debits is a no-go for unverified users. Basically, topping up requires a good old bank transfer, which can be a slow and clunky process. Make purchases. The good news? You can still use your KOHO card, both virtual and physical, to make purchases online and in stores. But remember, this is a prepaid card, so you're limited by the funds you've loaded. Forget the fancy features. KOHO's real magic lies in its features like cashback rewards, round-up savings, and fee-free overdrafts. Unfortunately, these are all locked behind the verification wall. Think of KOHO Lite as a test drive. You get a feel for the app's interface and basic functionality, but you're missing out on the real power. Why does KOHO insist on verification? It might seem like an unnecessary hurdle, but there's a good reason for verification. Here's what KOHO gains. Security. Verification helps KOHO fight fraud and protect your hard-earned money. By confirming your identity, they make sure the account belongs to you and reduce the risk of unauthorized activity. Regulations. Financial institutions in Canada have strict regulations to prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. Verification helps KOHO comply with these regulations and maintain a safe and secure platform. Building trust. Verification allows KOHO to offer features like fee-free overdrafts with more confidence. Knowing who they're dealing with helps them assess risk and provide better financial services. Alright, I get it. How do I verify my KOHO account? KOHO offers two ways to verify your identity. Linked bank account. This is the easiest option. If you have an account with one of the major Canadian banks listed on the KOHO app, you can simply link it for verification. It's a quick and secure process. Document upload. Don't have an account with a supported bank? No worries. You can upload a clear picture of your valid government-issued ID, passport or driver's license, and a recent utility bill or bank statement. It takes a bit longer, but it gets the job done. Is verification worth the hassle? Here's the bottom line. Verification takes a few minutes of your time, but it unlocks the true potential of KOHO. With verification, you get cashback rewards. Earn a percentage of your spending back on every purchase. Free money? Yes, please. Round-up savings. Every purchase gets rounded up to the nearest dollar, automatically building your savings without even thinking about it. Fee-free overdrafts. Say goodbye to those pesky overdraft charges. KOHO offers a small buffer zone to avoid those fees. Conditions apply, of course. Full access to features. Explore the full suite of KOHO's features, from budgeting tools to instant transfers. KOHO, the verdict. While you can technically use KOHO without verification, it's like having a sports car stuck in first gear. The real fun starts once you unlock the full potential with verification. It's a quick and easy process that opens the door to a world of financial benefits. So, is KOHO worth it? If you're looking for a free, feature-rich financial app with cashback rewards and fee-free perks, then absolutely. Just be prepared to take that small verification step to unleash the full KOHO experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.